Good morning guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at conversion of fractions, decimals and percentages. Okay, so we are looking at grade 3, 4 year for the 1 to 9 GCSE specification. Okay, so we're looking at key stage 3, key stage 2 GCSE maths foundation and higher. For that. Okay, right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name's Abdallah and I'm a maths tutor and private maths tutor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also enable notifications. Okay, but let's get on with that today's video. Right guys, so conversion of fraction, decimal, percentages. Okay, so the rule here guys, a fraction to a decimal, actually, obviously we looked at that in yesterday's video actually. So we divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so for example, if it's a half, we do 1 divided by 2 to get a decimal. Okay, we can work this out by using the bus stop method if it's a non-calculator, or by typing in obviously the fraction type in the number divided by the other number to work out the decimal. Okay, and then from a decimal to a percentage guys, all we do is multiply by 100. Okay, so that's that actually, and then percentage, and then working backwards, I divide by 100 if I'm going from percentage to a decimal, and then a decimal to a fraction. Okay, I look at the place values. Okay, so that's one that I talked about in yesterday's video, or the video before actually, on Monday's video. I was talking about that actually. Okay, so guys, so you must obviously learn this obviously for your GCSE exams or your key stage 2 SATs obviously if you're studying for maths. Okay, so learn this information actually is quite important. You can find these again actually guys in like textbooks, and they're all like summary sheets on Google actually that will actually break this down for you. And there is like a table, which what I'll do is I will leave like a link to a table actually that has a list of tables of all the conversions that you must know. Okay, so it includes like a half, 1/3, a quarter, a fifth, an eighth, a tenth, and so on and so forth. For you to actually learn, guys. Right, guys, okay, so example 1. Convert 1/5 to number 1, the decimal, and the percentage. Okay, so 1/5 is 1 divided by 5, which is 0.2. So I'll work this out, guys, obviously, because it's actually like common knowledge actually. So it's common knowledge. Obviously, if you're not confident actually, what you could do is do the bus stop method to actually work out actually, or if you're really struggling, like to actually look at that actually, you can use your calculator as essentially like a one-off, guys. But I don't want to advocate it regularly because I want you to like be able to get into the habit of always, where possible, trying to always do mental arithmetic like where possible. Okay, so I get 0.2, which is my decimal. Okay, decimal to a percentage, I times by 100. So times by 100, put the percentage sign, the answer is 20%. So that is how I would do that one, guys. Okay, so I hope that makes sense so far. Okay, example 2, guys. Convert 35% as a fraction and a decimal. So part A says fraction, part B says decimal. Right, guys, a percentage right, means always out of 100 actually. So I forgot to actually put it on there actually, but a percentage means that it's always out of 100. Okay, so 35% just means 35 out of 100, which can then be simplified to 7/20 by dividing the top and bottom by 5. So the fraction would be 7/20. And then as a decimal, okay, working backwards, I would do 35% divided by 100, which would give me 0.35. So my decimal conversion would be 0.35. Okay, so make sure, guys, obviously practice these actually by taking a look at like questions on like the Corbett Maths website actually. So it's got like loads of questions that you can practice. So practice you guys using obviously like what I've talked about in today's lesson. Okay. So so I hope that was actually clear, guys. So feel free obviously to like comment below actually if you've got any questions or queries on like any part of like this question. I might have talked a bit fast actually again actually, so I do apologize. I do apologize again actually profusely. And I apologize about like the shakiness actually for this actually. Feel free to check out Primo's Kitten, Maths Chelsea, Maths Genie, Exam Solution, Hegarty Maths, and then also Khan Academy. And then anyone studying like A-level physics, feel free to check out TL Physics. Okay, and I hope that was okay. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, happy Wednesday. Okay, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.